start where you are. And I thought of this while I was trying to do pull-ups, which I've never been able to do one. Today I tried it with a couple of bands and failed. And it just I guess I just felt a little embarrassed. So I had to put on another band. So I had to use 3 bands to do pull-ups. But it made me think that sometimes we let those kind of embarrassments stop us from being better or working out or doing things that we know we should do to better ourselves. But just to remember, we are where we are. Well, either we can do something about it or sit around and just get worse. So get up, be better, start where you are, no matter where it is and no matter where anyone else is, and just do it and get better. As you're doing that, push yourself too. Don't be afraid to fail, but push yourself to the failure and then adjust from there. And I think that's just the lesson for today. So back at it again tomorrow. Thanks.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Progress Not Perfection.
Woohoo! Yeah, subscribe. Nice.